Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start in Settings and move fast. Open Settings now and unlock the phone. Once in Settings, tap Connected Devices or Network and Internet depending on your Moto model. You need Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on so the Quick Share option appears. Make sure those radios are enabled briefly to reveal sharing controls. If you don't see Connected Devices, search Settings for Quick Share using the magnifier at top. This gets you exactly where the switch lives, so you can toggle it off. Once done, find Quick Share on the Connected Devices page or via Settings search. Tap it to open detailed controls. You'll see the main Quick Share toggle and options for device name and who can send files. Read them briefly to know what you change. Now switch the primary Quick Share toggle to off. A single tap disables discovery and incoming transfers. Make sure to confirm any system prompt that appears. This prevents accidental sharing and restores normal behavior immediately. To finish, reboot your Moto so the setting fully takes effect and device visibility clears. A restart often resolves lingering discovery. If other phones still see you, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on, then verify Quick Share remains off. If visibility persists, reset network settings as a last resort. This removes saved networks and Bluetooth pairings, but clears any stubborn sharing state. If problems continue, check for system updates. Once updated, reapply the Quick Share off toggle and confirm it sticks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.